wanted to do a quick tutorial on making stickers using your Silhouette Cameo. I am going to be using a Cameo 4 Pro today, but this also works if you have a 3. I believe it'll work also on the portrait. We're going to be using the Silhouette Studio. I do have the Designer Edition software. I think your regular software will probably work with this. I'm not 100% sure. I have gotten some stickers that I found on Font Bundles. That is one of the subscriptions that I have, and a subscription to Font Bundles will give you access to all of their graphics and everything, and you have commercial use of those graphics if you have the subscription. But I just searched for stickers. So these are already formatted as stickers. We're not formatting them. We're just going to use the pre-formatted stickers. I'm going to come over here and click File and Merge. And then I'm going to find the stickers that I want to use. And these are all stickers that I have downloaded that I've done over the course of, several months. So let's go ahead and look. I'm going to go ahead and use this Faith Over Fear and merge it in here. And you can see that this already has a border. It's in red. That's the cut line actually. But it already has the border, so I don't have to mess with doing an offset or anything like that. Now let's go ahead and come over to page setup. I have my page set up to the dimensions that my sticker paper is, which is 8.5 by 11. And I'm going to go ahead and turn on the registration marks. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. I don't need it quite so big. So let's make it, it's a little over 3 inches. And then I'm going to go ahead and copy that, and then I'm going to paste it several times. You're going to want to get as many stickers as you can on your sheet. These sheets are not cheap to use. They're usually works out to about, at least $1 a page. Excuse me, somewhere right around in there. So you don't want, you want to fill it up as much as you can and get as many stickers as possible. Okay, so I've got my stickers uploaded, the graphics that I want to use. Then I'm going to come over to print, and I'm going to print these on my LaserJet printer. I'm using a matte sticker. When I click print here, it's going to open my print window, and I'm just using my LaserJet, my HP Pro, and I'm going to just click print, and that is going to print out. And then we'll go over to the machine, get our cutting mat going, and we'll be right back. Okay, so here I've got my sheet of stickers, and I'm going to go ahead and put them on the cutting mat. I happen to be using the 12 by 24 cutting mat right now for, no particular reason except that I've used it a few times, and so the adhesive has worn off a little bit, and it's just the perfect amount of adhesive. And then we're going to go ahead and load this in to the machine. I do not have the auto load working right now. That I like to get everything straight before I have it take the mat in. I'm lining it up to the outside line. And we'll go ahead and, oh, missed it. Hold on, let's get it a little bit further in. All right, let's try one more time. Okay, now that we have all of our stickers, graphics on here, as many as we can fit on here, I'm going to go ahead and send it over to the machine. Before I do that, make sure that you are not within these registration marks and then the red cut line that is around your stickers, because it will not cut if it's beyond that cut line. So when I click send, you can see that it is just the outline. that is going to be cut. That little bit bolder red line is showing us that. And then I'm going to come over here. I've set user settings. These are my settings, the sticker paper. And I've got the manual blade that's 1 millimeter. And then on my force, I set my blade depth to 4. And at a force of 25, I can release the stickers from the sheet. It's almost like they're perforated, but I want them to cut all the way through. So I am going to raise that force on a blade depth of 4, force 30, and the speed is 8. Then I'll click send and we'll go over to the machine. First thing that the machine does is it looks for those registration marks. And when I first started with my Cameo 4 Pro, I could not get it to find those registration marks for anything. It was so frustrating. But then I saw somebody did a troubleshooting guide, and they indicated that maybe there wasn't enough light underneath the carriage for it to realize that there are registration marks. So I just have a work light that I just brought over, and I'm shining it down on the carriage, and it is giving enough light for the registration marks to actually register, so it's going to be able to cut the labels exactly where they are. Okay, moment of truth. See if we got that cut deep enough. Well, on that one it was. It's good. There's just a couple of little spots that it didn't want to let go. But basically that's it. I may end up adjusting that blade a little bit more, maybe going to a depth of 5 and working that out to where it will actually release them to the cutting mat right after I cut it. Okay, y'all, so that is basically it. Stickers, they're great. They're wonderful add-ins if you are shipping something, if you're shipping product. Little extras like this really make your customers feel like you appreciate them. You can laminate these, and honestly, a ton of people sell their stickers. You absolutely can sell your stickers, but this was a pretty easy tutorial. I hope that it was helpful to you. I've been away from YouTube for a while. I haven't really produced very many videos. I do a lot of short videos on TikTok, and it's just Under a Texas Sky. That's how you find me there. And I do little 1 minute to 3 minute videos on there for a variety of things. So you may want to check me out and follow me there. Subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be doing both. I'm going to be doing, my regular TikTok stuff and then adding more videos to YouTube. I miss being on YouTube. I miss all of y'all. So go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. I hope this helps. And use your Silhouette or Cricut or whatever cutting machine you have. Cut some labels. They're fun. It's awesome. You can do it. I'll see you next time. Blessings to you.